Meaning of immoral.
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 Immoral. The term immoral refers to actions or behaviors that are considered to be unethical, lacking in moral principles, or contrary to accepted standards of decency. Immoral actions may cause harm to individuals or society as a whole and can be seen as wrong or unjustifiable. Engaging in immoral behavior can lead to negative consequences such as guilt, shame, and possibly legal repercussions. It is important to cultivate a sense of morality and make choices that align with our values and respect the well-being of others.